I'll explain how to use the one-touch zip tie holder. First, position the entry slot of the zip tie holder so that the end faces forward. Grab a suitable amount of the end of a zip tie and place it on the entry slot, then push it in with both hands and push the head part of the cable tie to organize it for easier operation. You can continuously and quickly replenish them for use. A large amount of zip ties can be fed in at once. After replenishing the zip ties, use the locking mechanism to secure the setup. This prevents the entry slot from opening due to external factors. Even if only a small amount or one zip tie remains, it is securely fixed and there is no inconvenience in use. A small amount of zip ties can still be added even when the lock is secured. However, when adding a large amount of cable ties, it is recommended to unlock the mechanism before adding more. To organize tangled cable ties in one direction, just like the usual method, feed them in, grab the head part of the zip tie, pull it out and organize it in one direction for a neat arrangement.